What do you reckon?
I think we're going to need more oil.
I got you. Special delivery. Fastest delivery drivers in town. Boom.
The store's just there.
Yeah, but the sign says go that way.
Not a bad feeling about this.
It's just your shorts, mate.
Put your hands up if you want to follow the sign. Let's go.
Sure this is the right way?
That's what the sign said.
We've made this. This place is creepy. Whoa, hold up!
Marty, this one is perfect. That's not going to run 2 subwoofers. Yeah, I've thought of that. That's why we get 2 of them. If we're going to have the best sound system in our show car, we need the best wiring. So janky. Oh, g'day, Al. Mate, the turbos are that way.
Oh, he needs a shower.
Okay, so if we're going to run...
Zombies!
Bit? No. Yeah, you got bit. I didn't get bit. No, I'm pretty sure you got bit.
Survey says almost here. No deal?
Let's get out of here.
Oh, it's a dead end.
Ah, see? Made it.
And did you get more filters?
Yes.
Get more life from your engine with the best performing oils at Supercheap Auto.
Now, as Supercheap Auto Club members, you guys get access to all kinds of benefits and offers and perks. Stop. Now that... Shh, I said stop. No. Now, the cool thing there is, guys, you're gonna love this.
My car goes psh, psh.